them zoes about. We gon' keep it active, we gon' do a lot of running miles. Real cute bitch, nasty ass attitude. You ain't getting money, why the fuck you think I'm stunning?
Is my glasses foggy? Well, I'm gonna take this off. I was not about to get up out of bed. Like, today was the day another day of mine, like day 3. I was not about to get out of bed. I wanted to just stay in bed. Anyways, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. It's your girl Sherry. Yeah, I seen a mailman. I think my package is here. Is there any, hold on, wait, is there any package for me for $2.35?
No,
dang. All right, so today is what I'm gonna name this title. I think today I'm just gonna vlog today. That's it. Just spend the day with me. There. The list of the agenda today is going to Whole Foods, get some healthy food because I'm tired of getting sick. I'm tired of these muffins. You know, I'm getting older. 25 every year. Don't play me. So yeah, but I need a mic to, like, you know, speak close. Very close. Clear audio. I know I already have clear audio, but without the echoing. So mic from Best Buy. Go to Harmon's Beauty for like those cotton pads to, like, wash my face. I don't really use my hands at all. I'm trying to get rid of this. So at Whole Foods, I'm definitely gonna go get turmeric and aloe vera gel. We're about to put that all over our face just so we could. This is just my beauty mark. I like it. It became very prominent. I haven't noticed it until I started doing makeup and it was still showing. I was trying to cover it and I'm like, I'm not covering this. Look at it. Ah, dimples. Ah. Anyways, yes, that's how you hype yourself up even though you're struggling with a little pimple. It could, I can say it could be worse. But anyways, and then I'm going to Joanne Fabric or Craft. It's something like that. It's a craft store where they sell fabrics. And I need it for a backdrop, and I need it extra long. I did not measure how long I need it, but if it's longer than long, I don't care. I'm just gonna
talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. I can't help how. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl.
this short list of groceries. 102. I said, okay, this is my start of my healthy journey again, which I always do every year, and then I slip off. Like, no, this is nah. I better be skinty. I better be skinty, cause I'm not playing. I said, ooh, Miss Stain's getting a little bit high there. I seen 70. I'm like, that's about it. 70's about it. 70's about it. Don't you go up. I say it's about to be 100. It's about to be 100. Sure enough, it was 100. Oh my gosh. So I didn't spend that. I was like, where's my phone? I didn't spend that long at the okay, so I guess good timing. This eating healthy thing, I could have went to Chick-fil-A and got me a $7 meal. It's like, nah, that does build up, but yeah. But it's like, I'm about to eat the fruits in like a day, maybe like 3 days. But yeah. Why am I putting my mask on, y'all? I'm so over. I'm supposed to put my glasses on. Y'all know this is me. This is me. This is how I act when it's a bit much. So I don't even know if I want to go to Best Buy, but I'm about to go to Best Buy. And oh my gosh, you know, while I drive to Best Buy, I want to put y'all up on this. We're gonna take a drive and we're gonna talk. Fine, we're gonna leave it like that because I don't know, I have to get another one. Like today I'm gonna get another one. After the money I spent, I'm not getting shit. Hell motherfucking no. Let me look before I go, because you know people be driving. Why? Yeah, where do I start? Who do I run to? Can you pay my bills? Can you pay my medical bills? I don't want to pay these medical bills, but I'm broke. No, that is. Ooh. Anyways, so I spent 100 in there. Let's see if we can spend more money. So I'm looking at the bills. I went to the hospital twice last month. Like 2020 went out with a bang. That's all I gotta say. 2020 went out with a bang. With a bang. Hold on, wait. Where's my chair up? Yeah, we're gonna have to sit back, lean back, and relax because So I got sick in December, really bad. Got to the hospital. The worst migraine. When I tell you the worst migraine ever, I never experienced migraine like this. I experienced it once, and I really couldn't open my eyes, and I just laid in bed. But this one felt like knives in my head, like someone's cutting through my head, and I was running to the bathroom. It's TMI, but I felt like I was gonna throw up and relieve myself at the same time. So when I got to the hospital, not my battery dying. To that story, that should be, you know what, I should leave that as a story time. Story time, how I lost my job, got sick, went to the hospital twice, no insurance, like, oh, boom. Like, that's how 2020 was going out with a bang last month. I said I would not even mention that month. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, it's a green light. I'm just blessed to be alive. You only got one life to live. Next month, I'm not, you see me buying anything? What? I thought, no, I'm not buying anything. Nothing. Pretty Little Thing, Fashionnova, y'all better get out of my Google account, Gmail. I don't want to hear, oh, look what's back in stock. You know what? Your mother's like that.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't want to hear it. I want to see it.
Y'all, that was the least I had to spend today. Okay, so Best Buy is literally next door. So that's where I'm about to go.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my
I did not get a mic.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how.
So this is what I made. It is squash, mushroom, and tomatoes with curry, turmeric, a little bit of turmeric, and Himalaya pink salt. And that's about it. I'm about to just eat it the healthy way. There you go. And probably will come back on and do a face mask. Who knows? Maybe not. If not, see y'all in the next video. Stay with me. Slay with me. Ah.
Real Haitian baby, hope you know what all them souls about.